The beginning of your day 2, final exam practical perspective landscape with animals. Drawing number 2, use your large 12 by 18 inch white paper. Study in graphite pencil of an animal in a landscape, and you must employ the principle of perspective. Students will use the rule of thirds to create their compositions and render it in contour, line, and value, and use 3 different marking techniques. Add color if you wish. Use the landscape provided for inspiration. These are the landscapes. I've incorporated this detail over here, and this detail over here of the crow. I would suggest that you make a preliminary drawing and then move on to the secondary. Now, when you're done, you're going to take your photograph of your drawing, upload to Google Slides, and download as a PDF file and submit to Schoology. The assignment is Final Exam Practical Day 2, and name it last name, first name, PA.
Get inspired.